In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 7-column weekly content planner in Chrome. We're going to build a simple visual layout that helps you organize post ideas for every day of the week, keep draft copy together with each post, and quickly track progress using color labels. The goal is to make your planning space easy to scan at a glance, so you always know what's scheduled, what still needs work, and what's ready to go. Start by opening Chrome and creating a clean workspace for your weekly plan. Set up a frame layout with 7 columns, one for each day of the week from Monday through Sunday. This gives you a clear structure for mapping out content across the entire week. Try to keep the columns evenly spaced and labeled clearly so the board feels organized right from the beginning. A neat layout makes it much easier to update later, especially when you're moving quickly. Once your weekly frame is ready, begin adding sticky notes or cards inside each day's column for your post topics. Each card should represent a single content idea or plan post. Keep the topic title short and easy to recognize so you can scan the schedule without having to read too much detail. If you have multiple posts planned for one day, place them in that same column and keep them arranged in a way that feels clean and readable. Next, open each card and attach the supporting pieces you need. Add image thumbnails so you can immediately recognize the visual direction of the post without opening extra files. Then include the copy draft inside the card as well. Keeping the visual and the written draft together in one place helps reduce confusion and saves time during review. It also makes handoff much easier if someone else needs to check or approve the content. After that, apply visual color tags to show the current status of each post. For example, you might use red for draft and green for approved. The exact colors can be simple as long as they stay consistent across the board. This color system gives you a quick way to monitor progress without opening every card. When you look at the planner, you should be able to tell immediately which posts still need work and which ones are finalized. As you build the board, keep the formatting consistent from card to card. Matching titles, image placement, draft sections, and color tags will make the planner much easier to use over time. When everything is in place, you'll have a clear visual weekly content system inside Chrome that helps you plan faster and stay organized.